We coming up on the inspection station. You see, trucks gotta go left. I mean, go right. I'm tripping. It got me nervous, huh? Just gotta make our way in there, y'all. All vehicles must stop when flashing. But the interstate turn into this, so ain't no ducking this. Ain't go around it. You gotta run into this inspection station. This on I-10. It say, please have immigration paper ready. See what they talking about. What's going on?
Back there, bro.
Huh?
Back there.
Back here?
Yeah, no one.
Oh no, I got evaporated milk.
Let me see real quick.
Yeah, I'm by myself.
An American?
Yeah.
CDL?
Yeah.
See that real quick there?
Five minutes later.
Appreciate you. Have a good one. That was crazy right there, y'all. Not gonna cap.